show it to you. This is Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm sharing my glowing skin secret, or I should rather say that how I fake a glow on my skin. So in this video basically I'm sharing my powder highlighter collection, which is meant for I would say my skin shade will be in MAC NC35 to NC45, in between that. And if you want to know like what my collection consists of, what shades, what brand, then please keep watching. So what I'll be doing is that I'll be sharing the single highlighters, and then I'll be sharing the palettes which I have. Also what I thought of doing is that I'll be showing the ones which are least expensive to the ones which are high in regards to prices. But remember, the price differs but the quality is amazing of all the highlighters which I'm showing in this video. Now we'll start with the very first one, which is like the cheapest I'll say in my collection, and this is Wet n Wild Glow palette in the shade Precious Petal. Now this is like champagne gold, I would say, very subtle for every day. इट्स वेरी ब्यूटीफुल कलर. आई होप दैट्स विजिबल. ये अगर आपको ना बहुत सटल ग्लो चाहिए अपने चिक बोन पे, तो आप इसके साथ जा सकते हैं. एंड इट्स वेरी वेरी अफोर्डेबल एंड ईजिली अवेलेबल एट नायका. नाउ द सेकेंड वन विच आई एब्सोल्युटली लव इज फ्रॉम द ब्रांड Maybelline, and this one is their metallic highlighter in golden molten gold. So sorry, the sticker is there. Yeah, molten gold. Now what I like about this is that if you want to go out there and just want to like आपका चिकबोन ऐसा हाईलाइट हो रहा है, दूर से किसी को दिखे, सो दिस इज द हाईलाइट यू शुड गो फॉर. बहुत ही क्रीमी टेक्सचर है which allows you to easily blend into your skin. If you will see, that's quite a lot, right? It speaks for itself. It's a very beautiful color. The prominency of yellow is very very prominent. The yellow shade is very prominent in this, and it can be also used like आप पता है अपने यहाँ पे भी use कर सकते हो highlighters. Like I was just feeling like to share that tip. Now coming towards the third and fourth are from a single brand, that's PAC. PAC has beautiful highlighters when it comes to Indian skin tone. This one is the shade BK12, and they call it Baked Highlighter. This is a very subtle highlighter, again for the people who don't want to go there but still want to show that finish onto their skin, like my skin is glowing. I'll just swatch this for you guys. That's the one. I hope it's visible. So it has a gold sheen but बहुत ही subtle way में, as I said, बहुत ही subtle way. That's the shade. Now the fourth one, again as I said, will be from the brand PAC. This one I don't have a shade number because ये पता है just आए थे when I purchased it. It was there for the testers and I was like, I loved the shade and I purchased it. The reason of me loving the shade because इसमें पता है थोड़ा बहुत पीच कलर का लुक है, विच आई एब्सोल्युटली लव. बिकॉज मुझे लगता है ना, व्हेन यू हैव द पीच हाईलाइटर और पीच ब्लश, योर स्किन लुक्स वेरी हेल्दी. सो आई जस्ट स्वॉच इट एंड आई जस्ट शो इट टू यू. ओके, हियर is it visible? So very very pretty peach reflex, golden reflex, rose gold, बहुत सारा reflex आता है इसमें. So I absolutely love this, especially for summer. Please go ahead. Now coming towards little expensive one, that was 800 something. Now coming towards little expensive one from the brand Sephora. Oh my god, like this for 1550 something, worth every single penny. I absolutely love this. They have two shades. The one which I got my hands on is Delicate Glow, and I'll just, oh my god, I should actually swatch it on this hand. Just a second. Yeah, so guys, यहाँ से start करेंगे. Can you see that color? Isn't it so beautiful, so subtle, very very pretty. Even the texture is very nice, so it easily melts into your skin and gives you a very natural glow, which I absolutely love about this. Now in case you're looking for something which is मतलब थोड़ा expensive in regards to brand and also एकदम दूर से दिखने वाला, then Jennifer Lopez Inglot Living the Highlight is bomb.com. Let me just open this. This is for my special days because it's really expensive, and ये what you call that special edition था, तो it's not easily available, इसलिए मैं बहुत ही कम यूज़ करना पसंद करती हूँ. I'll just swatch it. Can you see this? Like ये ऊपर वाला, I'm so sorry, this is the one. The more you blend, the better it gets. That's the beauty about this highlighter. and this is how it looks. It's so beautiful guys, I can't tell you, but मैं बहुत कम use करना पसंद करती हूँ because I don't want it to get over. Since I told you it's special edition, I don't want to lose it. Like खत्म हो जाए तो I can't afford that. So we are done with the individual highlighters. Now we'll head towards palettes. Again, I'll be following the same pattern, which is sharing the cheapest first and the most expensive last. The very first one which I would like to share is from the brand Sivanna. Now this is really difficult to get your hands on online, but there are few Insta pages which do sell this, and you will usually get this in, you know, the shops like such as Beauty Center and Beauty Palace in Mumbai. So yeah, this is the shade 02. The best thing about this one, what I like, is that they have a highlighter palette as well as bronzer. So like if you have a gold undertone, then it will go. If you have a pinkish undertone, then also it will go. In case you have a neutral, then again it will go. The best thing about this is like sometimes what you can do is like some mix karke also you can run. Now I'll just swatch the shades for you so that you can see. Yeah, so I hope that's visible for you guys. And this is the white one, that's the gold, little gold, extreme gold, and the pinkish one. I absolutely love this. Now the best thing about having the palette is that आप इसको आई शेडो के लिए भी यूज़ कर सकते हो, cheekbones के लिए भी यूज़ सकते हो. Again, if you want to use that browsing वाला, you want to get that look, तो थोड़ा ज़्यादा tan color की तरफ जो है वो you can use. Now the price of this one was 325 rupees or 350 rupees. As I said, it's very difficult to get your hands on, but there are few pages on Insta which are selling it. Now we'll head towards the second one, which is from the brand Sugar, and this one is their Glow Genius. They call it Contour Day First Highlighter Palette, and let me just show it to you. Here it is. Now again, Sugar has surprised me guys. I wasn't aware about the brand and I really regret it because the quality of their cosmetic is amazing, and I actually swatched it in their store, and that time I was like, no, let me just buy it later because I already have so many highlighters. But then I couldn't resist it, और फिर मैं फटाक से उनके ऐप को download किया and I just ordered it. So yeah, that was the magic because the formula was so good. I was like, I need to get this. So again, I'll swatch the shade. As you guys can see, again a very beautiful palette which is meant for yellow, neutral and pink undertones. Very beautiful colors, very amazing, great formula. I absolutely love this. Like amazing Sugar. Now coming towards the third palette, which is a recent purchase. In case you guys have not watched my vlog, my birthday vlog, then go ahead and watch it because that time I went for a shopping and I got this palette from the Colorbar. I guess this was their latest, what do you call that? Latest launch. I forgot the term. Latest launch. So I got my hands on this, and this one is their Glow Crazy palette, Bombshell 001, and they have mentioned the colors also, Glare, Beam and Blaze, and I'll just show you the colors. This is something which reminds me of MAC highlighter palette. I'll just put a picture over here. Obviously they had of more shades. I'll just swatch these shades. Again, great formula guys, for every day, for to get that glow. I absolutely love. I'll just swatch it. Can you see this guys? So beautiful, such a nice texture na, I can't even tell you, and it's very neutral, like बहुत ही natural लगेगा skin tone पे all the colors. So I absolutely love. Now heading towards my most expensive palette, which is from the brand PAC, and I got this during my wedding because I was like, let me just get a palette rather than just getting one shade, because मुझे हर outfit के साथ कुछ थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे करना हो तो I can do that. And this one is their 6 color highlight palette in 002, and I'll just show it to you. This is I just broke it. Okay, I'll just show it to you like this guys because I don't want to break again. One shade is gone, the powder is there. Again, I'll fix it, don't worry. So as I was saying, they have very beautiful shades, and during my wedding I wanted to use like different kinds of highlighters, different undertones, and that's the reason of me opting for this. The price of this one was between 2,500 to 3,000, something like that. I'll just swatch it, give me a moment. So here are the swatches. I've swatched all the one, and this is the one which got broken. It's very beautiful, subtle pinkish color. Anyhow, I'll fix it, so just ignore that part. As you guys can see, these are very beautiful colors, different undertones, again targeted towards different skin tones, which I absolutely love. Again, the formula is bomb.com. I don't have to say that when it comes to PAC. So that's it for the video. Though those are my palette collection, or I should say my highlighting collection. I know I'm little disturbed. In case you people want me to do my whole highlighting contouring routine, please let me know. I can share tips and tricks like how you can do bronzing, contouring and everything. I even have a liquid highlighting collection, so I can just show it to you how to get that wow wala glow, in case you want that. And that's it for the video. But before signing off, I would like to say that in case you are not following me on social media, please do so. My all social media pages link will be in the description box. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, because it's free and it supports my channel a lot. All you have to do is that hit that subscribe button, and while hitting that, don't forget to hit that bell icon in order to be notified whenever I'll upload a video. And that's it. At the last, I'll say take care and stay pretty.